Objective: to study about agricultural practices. When man adapted to plant-eating habit in addition to eating flesh, he started collecting seeds which he found useful and scattered them in the soil. These seeds germinated and grew themselves. Whatever produce appeared on the plants was used as food, and the leftover plant body was used as fodder for cattle. Since the population increased with the demand for food, it has to be produced on a large scale for a large number of people. In order to fulfill this, there is a necessity of regular production of food, proper management, and distribution. This was the beginning of agriculture. Agar means field or soil, and cultura means cultivation. Agriculture or farming is the cultivation of the soil. It includes growing of plant crops and rearing of animals. When plants of the same kind are grown at a place in a regular manner on a large scale, it is called a crop. For example, the crop of wheat is a field with only wheat plants. Animals kept on farms are called livestock. In addition to food, animals are also raised for labor, such as horse for riding, oxen for plowing and pulling carts. Raising both plant crops and livestock on an individual farms is called mixed farming. Crops are of different types, such as cereals, vegetables, and fruits. These can be classified based on the season in which they grow. India is a vast country with different climatic conditions such as temperature, humidity, and rainfall. They vary from one region to another. As a result, varieties of crops are grown in different parts of the country. 3 categories of crops are grown in our country. They are Kharif crops, Rabi crops, and Zaid crops or summer crops. All these crops are herbaceous crops. Kharif crops: the crops which are grown in the rainy season, that is, from June to September, are called Kharif crops. Rice, maize, cotton, and groundnut are Kharif crops. As paddy requires a lot of water, it is grown only in the rainy season. Rabi crops: the crops grown in winter season, that is, from October to March, are called Rabi crops. Wheat, oat, chickpea, mustard are Rabi crops. Zaid crops or summer crops: there is a short season between Kharif and Rabi season in the months of March to July. The crops that grow in this season are Zaid crops. These crops are grown on irrigated lands and do not have to wait for monsoons. Some examples of Zaid types of crops are watermelon, bitter gourd, muskmelon, and cucumber.